Today started with Cody having another day off, and the plan was to clean Alfred the dinghy, put on some new bottom paint, and even get a couple of other projects done. What happened was this though. Cody took the dinghy to shore, cleaned it up, bought some bottom paint can exploded in dry bag that also had a handheld radio inside. Cody said enough is enough, got invited to crew for Wednesday night racing, and called me saying, "Do you see us? I'm heading out to race, don't be mad. Order a dry bag, I'll explain later." So here we are.
In the mooring field. Good thing it's nighttime. Guess we'll just have to ask him how it went, huh? Yeah, we don't know.
What's going on? What is Mom doing? What's going on down here?
I'm on my way to something big.
There's something big.
Something huge is about to happen. And that huge thing is that I'm going to finally be able to cut a rug that fits where it's supposed to go. With no wrong holes or anything anywhere. So we are getting a new rug for the space. Yeah, we had a other black rug here that I initially actually cut wrong, and it's been on there, and it's been really good because it keeps the moisture a little bit up, like when you wake up in the morning, and you don't get like sticky feet instantly. So we're gonna get a new rug. It's like a nature bind a little bit, but it's a fake one that has a backing on it. Yeah, I'm taking measurements. Getting everything ready because Cody's right now picking it up with Millie. I have failed my mission in cutting my second rug. Just ordered a third. Okay. That's what's going on.
Okay.
I jinxed it now, didn't I?
Yeah, you're not done. You're not done with the final cut yet. I would
Story about this rug.
Yeah, what's the story? Why are you so excited for this rug?
You know what?
What's been the problems?
The first one we had, we almost made right. I did most of it. Obviously, I did all of it, and it failed. So it had one rung cut the entire time that you couldn't really see it, but it really annoyed me, and it also wasn't the rug that I really wanted. So this year we threw that one out, and I bought a new one, and then I cut it wrong. I cut this hole wrong, so it couldn't be used at all. Like, that was the biggest mistake of all. And now I got the rug that I really want, which, you know, it's a natural fibered one. It comes to pieces in all the corners. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I am not making any mistakes. Right. This is my, what is it called when you have like a mortal enemy, or like something's happening?
Mortal enemy?
No, it's my, so they say like this is my, like the overall goal in life kind of deal.
Okay.
Kryptonite? No. This is my...
No, I think the other two rugs were your kryptonites.
Yeah.
But the third one's a charm.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Final cut. Ah! I did it. Oh my goodness. I feel, you know what I feel like?
What? What does Mom feel like?
I feel like a champion.
A champion.
I feel like I'm on top of the world. And also
managed to read the
look
tape
how good
measure
it looks.
And
Okay.
Work a pair of
You're
scissors.
holding a baby, so I won't use any ugly words, but you know what I wanted
Do
to
it.
say.
Do it.
The little things in life. Sometimes it only takes completing something to feel like you can lower your shoulders. And I know a rug isn't anything major, but just to be able to feel a little bit more home raised my spirits. It's funny, really. Another little thing that's funny finally came in. Oh, and I think the post office are getting a little tired of us by now, but we gave in for the jolly jumper. Because how many times have I repeated how all Millie wants is to stand and jump? Well, this is the only solution. The only one I've found anyway. Or anyone else found that I could copy. Anyway, the only thing that's going to suffer now is my shoulder and arm workouts I had holding her doing this. And, oh, I think she likes to rug too.
Okay. La Vagabond was right. This is the ultimate babysitter. Oh. Pinocchio. Say in English. Pinocchio? I say it in English. Yeah, there's a few wakes right now. Do you feel them at all? So today, Cody has another day off. You might see him in our videos that he only has days off, but it's not true. It's just those are the days that are most fun to film. And we're gonna go on a little adventure. We're gonna head to...
Cockles Harbor.
Cockles Harbor. Wanna go sailing?
15 knots of wind outside, probably.
Wanna
So
go
it sounds
sailing?
like.
At sundown, come
Yeah,
down, think
we're gonna
about
go
where
sailing.
we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are.
Completely happy with our plans for the day, the phone rang, and our friend Eric and his girlfriend wanted to take us out wake surfing. It seemed like a good of a plan as any, so we detoured out for a spin that made us forget all about calm water and light breeze. August is getting closer, and it's funny how it seems we're in the middle of a busy schedule that will never end, with less than 8 weeks of solid work left for this summer season. 8 weeks. I remember my summer holiday as a kid in elementary school was 8 weeks, and it seemed like forever. When I think about it now, though, I still have that same forever feeling at the start of summer, but now, in the middle, I'm freaked out by how much is left to organize and settle before sailing south, and I find myself even stressing about things that won't be present until December. It feels like September already. It's like years just fly by. I can only imagine how time must feel for Millie, or for any other kid for that matter. For her, these past 2 months make out a third of her entire life experience. So for me at 34, I guess that would be the same feeling as a summer being only halfway through after 11 years. It becomes more and more important to live in the moment the older we get. And I guess that's ultimately what this episode is about. Nothing big really happened, but living in the moment should mean appreciating the little random things too, even the things that didn't turn out as expected.